Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Black+Decker small portable washer and the portable washing machine. In today's video, we'll delve into their features, capacities, and usability to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're living in a small apartment or just need a compact washing solution, we've got you covered. When it comes to capacity, the Black+Decker small portable washer offers a larger 1.7 cubic feet capacity, which can handle up to 11 pounds of laundry. This makes it suitable for larger loads compared to the portable washing machine, which has a capacity of 15 liters. While the Nixod is ideal for delicate items and small loads, the Black+Decker is better for more substantial laundry needs. The Black+Decker washer comes equipped with 6 wash cycles, including options for normal, heavy, and delicate fabrics, along with a transparent lid for monitoring. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a more basic design with limited cycles and requires manual effort for operation. This makes the Black+Decker a more versatile choice for various laundry needs. In terms of portability, the Black+Decker weighs 70.5 pounds and requires more space, making it less portable than the Nixod, which weighs only 4.6 pounds and features a folding design. This makes the portable washing machine ideal for travel or small living spaces, while the Black+Decker is better suited for those who prioritize capacity and features over portability. In conclusion, the Black+Decker small portable washer is perfect for those who need a robust washing solution with a larger capacity and more features, while the portable washing machine is ideal for those seeking a compact and affordable option for small loads. Choose based on your laundry needs and living situation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.